Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. So. Welcome back for another lesson of biology. Today we are going through lesson 45 of chapter 29, the homologous structures. Before you start watching the video, remember to like and subscribe my channel and also share the video to your classmates. Let's start. Besides looking at the fossil record as the evolution evidence, what is the evidence that human, bat, cat, and whale evolved from the same origin? The further evidence which supports evolution besides the fossil record is homologous structures 同源嘅結構. One example of homologous structure is pentadactyl limb in the mammal, in Chinese 五指形肢. The homologous structure, such as the pentadactyl limb, they have different functions in different organisms, but they have same basic design of the structure. Why are the pentadactyl limb called the homologous structure? This is because all of them they shows a similar anatomical pattern of bones. 解剖學上嘅骨骼結構. Take a look at the picture below. In the case of a human, a cat, a whale, and a bat, all of them they have a long bone in the upper part of their limb. One long bone. And then they have two long bones in the middle part of the limb. And then at the lower part of the limb, they usually have 5 smaller bones, or we call this 5 digits. 5隻手指腳趾. Besides the anatomical pattern of bones, homologous structure also shows a similar body position. For the pentadactyl limb, they can be all found in the upper body part of the animal. Although the homologous structure they perform different functions, however, their design is basically very similar, or you can say the same. So this suggests that probably all these mammals they must evolve from a common ancestor. And then at the end, after so many years, their limbs they modified and evolved to perform different functions in different environment. Let's take a look at the classwork 29.2. The following picture shows you the 4 limbs 前肢 from 4 different animals: the human, the cat, the whale, and the bat. Can you tell me what is the function of the different 4 limbs in the 4 animals? For human, it should be for handling things, grabbing things, 揸住啲嘢. For cat, of course, for running. Whale for swimming, while for bat, of course, for flying. This part is very easy. Question 2. How are these 4 limbs similar? They are very similar in their body position. We can find all the 4 limbs on the upper part of the mammal's body. Next, these 4 limbs they are also very similar in their anatomical pattern of bones. 解剖學上嘅骨骼結構. For example, we can all find 1 long bone in the upper part of the arm or of the limb, and then 2 long bones, they are thinner, at the middle part of the limb, and at the end you can find 5 digits 腳趾手指 in the limb in the lower part. Okay, you can count it on your own. Some of them might have 4, but in general they have 5 digits in the limbs. How are the homologous structures such as 4 limbs give evidence for evolution? Although they have different functions, some of them use the 4 limbs for swimming, some of them use the 4 limbs for flying, running. If we take a look at their designs closely, their designs they are basically very the same or similar. And this suggests that since there is a high similarity on the design, so they must evolve from a common ancestor. And the limbs they are evolved and changed to do different functions. Why? Because they need to adapt to different environment. That's it for the lesson about the homologous structure. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.